As a pastor working with this wonderful elder, Pam Byers, I was enormously inspired. She had this kind of tireless energy and willingness to reach out and then reach out again to those with whom we disagreed. And honestly, I would kind of get exhausted with that, but there she was, willing to go to the next conference of the whatever the group might be who was in support of G6016B staying in the Book of Order. Pam would go again and introduce me at the General Assembly, introduce me to these leaders with whom I didn't have much in common theologically. Pam was the bridge and really inspired me, and frankly, all of us in the Covenant Network, to remember that we're one body in this church, and we may have different perspectives and may see particular issues in different ways. But our calling is to be one body of Christ. And Pam was deeply committed to that calling and inspired all of us to pursue it with everything we had. Inclusivity and unity, and try not to lose either one of those aims as we move forward as a church.